Sanibona uLuyanda lona uSport Media Officer weZulu Society. Sawubona mama njani?
Ngiyaphila njani mama?
Ngiyaphila. Nginobala
Nosihle wakakubheka.
Nosihle ngiyabona ufaka ucenter lana. So how was the game overall? What was the score? Kwenzakaleni?
Igame bimnani kakhulu. Sidliwe ngo-22-35 kodwa ngoba bekuyigame yethu yokuqala sibuyile ngibona ngathi sidlale kahle kakhulu for abantu abasanda kubuya.
Oh, and ngiyezwa la kwi-court kuthiwa wena ubizwe nge-player of the match. How does it feel?
It feels so good because Shaka Zulu akafelanga ubala.
So kukhona office mhlambe ku improve on the next game noma ubona ku right konke?
Ngibona ngathi masingakhuluma kakhulu egroundini, singathuli, singacasuki, singaphuma egroundini sidlale njenge-team njengoba sihlale sipractice. Yeah, masingafaka umfutho kwesigcina ngaphumelela.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu isikhathi sakho.
Ngiyabonga mama.